just come see us, 1475 McDonald Road, Lovejoy, Georgia, 30228 at the Shell gas station. Right there, buddy. Let's go. Put that on your Instagram right there. Put it on there. Blow it up on your Instagram. I don't care if you take a damn video or the whole damn trailer. It don't matter. Now here you got Tony Graham, Juki Jam, AG Born Jamaican. Look him up on YouTube. This is his jerk sauce. Jerk chicken, cut, chopped like the islands. You got the Trini mac and cheese. You call it green butter. Look at it. Stacks up. Come to the Smoking Bear, 1475 McDonald Road, Lovejoy, Georgia, 30228. Call in orders. Welcome. We on DoorDash because they're the only damn ones who show up on time. Let's go. Smoking Bear, 10-piece whole wing, baby. Jerk style, Tony Graham, Juki Jam. Look at it. Look at it. Made with Juki Jam right there, buddy. On your ass. Come get these wings.